Guys, up to New York, I should Areal flood watch, and the radios are going off. Let's go, baby. Areal flood watch.
Rainfall is possible.
Let's go.
Portions of northeast New Jersey.
Why did you not go off?
Areas: Eastern Bergen, Eastern Essex, Eastern
Bro.
Passaic, Eastern Union, Hudson, Western Bergen, Western Essex,
Let's
Western
go,
Passaic, and
baby.
Western Union, and Southeast New York.
Areal flood watch for my area.
Bronx, Brooklyn.
Yes, sir, I'm under it.
Northern Queens, Northern Westchester, Staten Island, Rockland.
Let's go.
And Southern Westchester. When? From
Yeah,
late
baby.
Friday night through late Saturday night. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details. Prolonged rainfall will occur Saturday, some of which may be heavy at times.
Yes, sir.
A total of 2 to 3 inches of rain is forecast, with locally higher amounts possible. There will be potential for flooding which could linger into Saturday night with residual runoff and for some area rivers and streams. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings.
Yeah, baby.
Those living
Let's
in
go.
areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.
Let's go.
Red flag warning in effect until 7 p.m. this evening for gusty winds and low relative humidity for central and southern New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a red flag warning for gusty winds and low relative humidity, which is in effect until...
Let's go. I don't get it why you didn't go off. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Cumberland, Atlantic, Cape and May, Atlantic, Coastal Cape and May, Coastal Atlantic, Coastal Ocean...
What is wrong with you?
Burlington. Timing, too early this evening.
What is wrong with you?
Northwest 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts.
What is wrong with you, W300? Why are you acting so weird?
45. Impacts. The combination of dry conditions, low relative humidity, and gusty winds will result in favorable conditions for the rapid spread of fires. Any fires that develop...
Why are you doing this?
I'm Deepa Fernandez. The
Either occurring now,
So
or will
weird.
shortly due to a combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and dry fuel.
Bro, what is wrong with you?
May quick...
Like literally. You're working perfectly fine. Like literally. What the heck? Like literally. Like literally, what the heck?
Highs in the mid-40s.
What's wrong with you?
The offshore waters forecast for South
What's wrong with
Island
you?
between Montauk and Sandy Hook out to 1,000 fathoms. Gale force winds possible Sunday.
And it says gale force winds possible Sunday, which is great. What is wrong with you, W300? Why are you acting up weird?
Into 15 to 20 knots. Seas 6 to...
Shut up and stop doing that noise.